Today we talk about how can you figure out destination or know how you can do that on your Viber app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Only you have to do in the first. So you just go down here. You click here on more down here. When you just click on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on desktop and tablets here. Just click on it. Then here can you get your desktop and tablets when you click on your QR code here. Then you scan it. Then it's going to link with your tablet or desktop here on your Viber app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.